Illusion Dental has a legacy of 32 years where we have delivered quality restorations to dentists in India and across the world. With our international experience, we continue bringing you the best to help you grow your practice. To assure you of our quality and to give your patients a peace of mind, we would like to introduce something that has never been done before. For the first time in India, starting 1st of August, Illusion will provide international warranty on all metal-free restorations and aligners. What's more, Illusion, using the KISS principle, has made a new price list. What is KISS, you may ask? It stands for Keep It Short and Simple. This means starting 1st of August, we will have a simpler and a shorter price list for easier understanding and better communication between the dentist and the technicians. So what are you waiting for? Choose Illusion and assure your patients who live and travel abroad with our international warranty.